Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to take you guys through my CVS couponing deals that I did. So this week I really wanted to do the spend 30 get $10 in the extra bucks, and I wanted to focus on the Pampers diapers. So they are priced at $22, and then the Pampers wipes, the multi-pack wipes, they are $7.49. So my total came to $29.49. I have a $3 off of a 2 digital coupon from the Coupon 24 app that I use, as well as I have a $10 OTC coupon that I redeem from the Pampers Rewards website. So you get that coupon by redeeming Pampers coupon.com through the Pampers packages. So if you redeem 10 of them, you get $10, and you could use that coupon to pay for your transaction at CVS. So that's what I did. I got that $10 plus the $3 off of a 2 digital coupon from the Coupon 24 app. That leaves me to pay just $26. I'm sorry. That leaves me to pay just $16.49, and I got $10 in extra bucks. My final price is going to be $6.49 for all 3 items. What I got. Look at this coupon, y'all. $20 off of $100 of my next purchase.